How to reset GoCard California account password. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll talk about resetting your GoCard California account password. First of all, you have to visit the GoCard California website, the official website, by using a web browser on your computer or a mobile device. Find the Forgot Password option. Look for a link or a button that says something like Forgot Password or Reset Password during the sign-up process or login. Click on the Forgot Password link or the button to initiate the password reset process. You may be asked to enter the email address or username associated with your GoCard California account, provide the required information, and click Next or a similar option. You will likely receive an email with the instruction on how to reset your password. Open the email and follow the provided link or the instructions. Once you've successfully entered or confirmed your new password, save the changes, and you should be now able to log into your GoCard California account using your updated password. If you encounter any difficulties during the password reset process, or if there is an alternative method by resetting your password specific to the GoCard California, you will need to consult to their website's help section or contact their customer support for the assistance. So if you found this video to be useful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.